In today's fast-paced tech world, efficiency and reliability are key. Introducing Premo-Flex direct-to-board solutions featuring round flat cable and hot bar solder jumpers from Molex. Premo-Flex RFC jumpers are engineered for superior flexibility and durability, adapting seamlessly to your design needs. By eliminating the need for additional connectors, Molex's RFC jumpers simplify designs, saving space and reducing material costs. Plus, they enhance signal integrity, ensuring reliable performance. Premo-Flex hot bar solder solutions offer solid and reliable connections, further reducing the need for connectors. Our hot bar soldering process simplifies your manufacturing, making it cost-effective and space-saving. Experience streamlined assembly with fewer components. With Premo-Flex direct-to-board solutions, experience enhanced efficiency, durability, and signal integrity with our RFC jumpers and hot bar solder solutions. To learn more, visit us at molex.com/Premo-Flex. Molex, creating connections for life.